Hello and welcome back to our signature adoption series. Today we are going to talk about templates, so how you can actually pull templates from your Pandadoc service into an existing web application like a CRM in this case, and then you can use these templates to send documents to your clients. So let's switch to our admin panel. So this application has already 3 templates defined, and if I select full refresh, it would pull all 2000 templates that we already have defined in this Pandadoc account and add them to the table. We don't really want to do that because, well, it would take time and we don't really need all these 2000 templates for this particular application. So what we can do instead, we can only refresh enabled templates, so the ones with the green icons here. So you see there are 3 icons, and these templates are enabled, and it won't add the new ones but would only refresh enabled templates. And if template is disabled, it won't refresh it as well. Or we can refresh new ones. So again, it would pull the list of templates from Pandadoc service, and if it's not in the list here, it would add it to the list and populate all the data for this template. There are different combinations on how you can refresh templates, but what I'm going to show you is a way to pull templates only from a particular folder or set of folders, so you can refresh only the templates that you actually need. And we will use this folder. So you need to find folder ID, it's in your URL, and you just copy this ID, and we navigate back to our application and go to Pandadoc workspaces. We already have several workspaces defined for different departments, and we'll select this workspace. And here you see there is a field where you can actually limit the scan to a particular folder or set of folders. So let's put this folder ID here, or you can separate them with commas and put several folder IDs here, like this. So refresh would scan only these particular folders. And when you are done, you click Save. And you see this ID has been added. So next time we navigate to Templates and click this refresh button, it would only scan their particular folder. So now you see this message that there is a background job which refreshes the templates from Pandadoc. And if you update the page, you see there are already 2 templates added, and all the fields for these templates have been defined, and by default these templates are disabled. So you need to make sure that this is a template you want to use and it's properly defined, and then you can enable it. Let's open this template and we'll enable it and click Save. So now this template is enabled, and you can use this template within your template bundles and send multiple documents including this template. And now you see that the message has changed to has been finished. So basically we are done with the full refresh, and it has been limited to only a particular folder. And you can use these templates, add them to bundles. So just navigate to template bundles, and let's say you want to use this contract, and you see this one was enabled. So I can add it to this contract now and click Save. That's how it works. And if you liked the video, please click this like button at the bottom.